Welcome back!
Today we're making jollof, a spicy rice dish. I'm going to start by adding some crushed tomatoes to a blender, along with the red pepper and a habanero pepper. To that I'll add vegetable broth, then blend it until it's smooth. To a hot pan, I'm going to add some olive oil, now I'm adding some red onion and garlic. Then add some tomato paste and saute for about 10 minutes. Pour in the blended sauce. Add a not chicken bouillon cube. Now you can add your spices as well. To the tomato mixture, I'm going to add some long grain white rice that I've already rinsed and drained. Now I'll stir it up to make sure everything is combined. Cover the rice and cook it for 25 minutes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe!